Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A10 and today I would like to show you how you can change app permissions on this device. First of all, you need to access device settings and scroll down. Then select apps over here. And click on those three dots at the top right corner. Over here you need to select Permission Manager and select one of device features like location. Now select one of your apps. I will go with calendar. Then pick one of the options, allow all the time, allow only when using the app, or deny. I want to go with allow all the time, so I have to click on this option and go back. As you can see, calendar just gained access to my device location. But you can also just tap on one of your apps, choose see all calendars permission over here, and manage them from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!